Hello everyone, welcome to my Facebook page. So today's class is going to be very interesting because today we are going to learn how to find out the cube root of a bigger number. So actually basically if I'm going to follow a traditional method, then it will take a long time and there is a probability to get mistake. So today I will show you a trick. So with the help of this trick, we can easily find out a cube root of a bigger number within a very short time and very easily. Now have a look. This is the questions. Question is how to find out the cube root of this bigger number. So there are three examples given to you. Now today I'm going to find out the cube root of this bigger number by applying a trick within a very short time. So before that, before you have to find out the cube root of a bigger number, you should remember the cube of all the consecutive number which is starting from 1 to 9. You should know all the cubes. What is the value of cube of 3, cube of 4, cube of 5, so on up to 9. Because these are the things I'm going to implement here. We are going to use it here. How I'll use it here, I'll show you. So this is the first case. This is the number, the bigger number. Here the unit digit is 3, right? Now what you need to do, you have to check from here where the unit digit is 3. After cubing, where you will get the unit digit is 3. Here if we check here, you will get the unit digit is 3, that is 7 cube. Exactly right, the unit digit 7, because if you take the 7 cube, then you will also get the unit digit is 3, because here the unit digit is 3. Now you have to cut these 3-digit numbers. Okay, then what is left? 50 is left. Now check in the second step, check 50 is coming in between which are the two numbers. So here 27 and here 64. So 50 is coming in between two numbers, that is 3 cube and 4 cube, right? So 50 is coming between 3 cube and 4 cube, and out of these two numbers, 3 cube and 4 cube, which is the smallest? 3 cube. So that is 3. So here in that 10 digit you have to write 3. So this is the final answer. The cube root of this number is 37. Similarly, in the second case, here also I am going to find out the cube root of a bigger number. Same rule, check the unit digit 7. From here, 7, where is 7? 7 is coming here in 3 cube. This is 7. So write the unit digit is 3, because 3 cube is 27. Here the unit digit is coming 7. So now these 3 digit you have to cancel. Now check the remaining digit, that is 571. Where the 571 is coming, in between which number? These are the two number in between. The 571 is coming, that is 8 cube and 9 cube. In between 571 is coming. So out of these two number, 8 cube and 9 cube, which is the smallest number? 8 and 9. So 8 is the smallest number. So in 10 digit you have to write 8. So this is the final result. That is the cube root of this bigger expression is 83. So isn't it very easy and simple? I hope you understood. Now similarly, by applying the same rule, you try to do it yourself and write the answer in a comment box. This is for you. So I hope now you understood how to find out the cube of a bigger number with the help of a trick. I hope it's very interesting and easy. So those who have liked my videos, please do follow and subscribe my channel. Or if you have any doubt, or if you wanted to know something, some problem which is related to this topic, you can write in a comment box. I'll be there to help you, or you can personally contact me. Thank you for watching.